Hello everybody. Welcome to another Vroom Vroom Zoom video. My name's Andrew. So you're here because you want to see a mirror option and what it looks like on the Scram. I'm not a big fan of Mickey Mouse ears. I think if you've seen any of my videos, you would have definitely seen that. They're just, I don't know, they're very old school and I kind of, yeah. But after this ride that I just been on, I'm actually a bit more of a fan on this particular bike, which is, my little Enfield. And have a look at these mirrors. Okay, so head on. Oh, what does it look like? Yeah, okay, so definitely gets rid of the Mickey Mouse feel. It does look good. I think, I don't know. Does it look better? You be the judge, I guess. Yeah, I'm kind of sold. Not really. This is what it looks like on the bike. So these are just from, I think AliExpress or eBay, I can't remember. I think it's eBay. Yeah, I don't know. They look alright. I think probably better than the Mickey Mouse ears. But here's the dilemma. It's when you put them on, the bracket that it goes into is attached to the bar here. So this is, a clutch here, and all that assembly is where it comes out of. So there's no pivoting this without pivoting that. And then because this is not really adjustable, the only adjustment you get is at the back of the mirror here, and it's quite limited in terms of what you can do. So they're very small. They don't go past the edge enough, so you're kind of feeling a lot of shoulder. I do like them, they're nice and clear, blue tinge. So I'll show you with the, there you go, kind of see them like that in the wide shot. And the other thing that's really annoying is that they're not really even, because this bracket here, so this one here is a different style to this one here. You see it? This one kind of comes up a little bit more. This one doesn't. So yeah, not the best. Some of you with anal retentiveness may not like the fact that it's not even. Sorry. But yeah. Okay, so I don't know. Just thought I'd share this video and see what you guys think. This is what it looks like. Square mirror replacement on the Royal Enfield. While I'm here, just a quick little update. I've taken the bike on a couple of off-road trips now, and I will be making a video about that soon. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. I will bring you some off-road content with this bike very, very soon. Yeah, what it's like living with a little 411 and keeping my license. Bye-bye.